First, you'll need to fill your solution tank with properly diluted chemical. To operate the machine, be sure to raise the parking brake stand. Turn the unit on with the power button, water, and vacuum. Adjust the solution flow based on your cleaning requirements. Adjust the height of the handle. Start the cleaning process by pressing the levers and cleaning the required floor areas. Use the front squeegee to remove water where you are unable to move the machine to. Once the cleaning activity has concluded, you'll need to go through the following steps to perform daily maintenance. First, remove the debris tray, emptying debris into the trash. Remove the vacuum motor filter and clean under running water. Next, you'll need to drain, rinse, and clean the recovery tank. Be sure to put the black plug back in place. Failure to do so will result in loss of suction and cleaning performance. To empty the solution tank, remove and clean the solution filter. You'll also need to remove and clean the brush from the machine. Brushes have a wear indicator. Once bristles are even with that wear indicator, it's time to replace them. Next will be to clean the squeegee. Lower the parking stand and remove and clean the squeegee. You will also want to check your squeegee for excessive wear. Depending on the water you have in your area, you will also need to clean the solution manifold. Be sure to position the lid in an open area for proper ventilation. And finally, plug the machine in for proper charging.